it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. If you were watching yesterday, you would have seen me take delivery of this because it happened right in the middle of the video. And I thought I'd open it for you, so it's sneak peek take 2. So, let's just have a look. This is basically the bits I forgot to order the first time round. Or rather the bits that I thought I'd ordered and clearly hadn't. Let's take that out because that's all the information. So, what have we got? Right, so we've got the last of the shimmer paints, which is, as I thought, Champagne Mist. So let's take a look at all of them. I did very briefly show you all of them, all of the others I already had, but let's have a look at these. So we've got white, champagne, gold and copper, so a lovely selection, and I'm going to have such fun using these. I've already done a project using the gold, so do come back. I'm hoping to do a storage solution for these as well, so that should be fun. Ooh. Right, so this is one of the ribbons I forgot to order, and it's the striped burlap trim. Let's get the wrapper off so that you can see it properly. And what I want to do is, so this is our ordinary burlap, and this is the striped burlap. So it's a slightly thicker, as in more densely weaved, but it's that same look, but with the stripe down the middle. Lovely. Actually, I'll pop that to the side because it's kind of getting in the way. So that's gorgeous. That is just a really lovely. And again, I'm thinking masculine cards. Just trying to put my other ribbon away now, because otherwise I'm going to get in such a pickle. So that's that one. This one, I know what this is, and this is gorgeous, and again, this needs to be seen properly. If I can get into it. There we go. Can I just slide it off? Yes, I think I can. Oh, no, I can't. So let's snip it. I don't want to cut the ribbon, is the only thing. There we go. So this is called Merry Merlot and Copper ribbon, and the reason it's called that is, well, obviously because it's Merry Merlot and Copper, but look, it's Merry Merlot and Copper. So is this going to pick up? On one side of the ribbon it shows much more Merry Merlot, and on the other it's more copper. It's gorgeous. It's like shot taffeta. It's divine. Ooh. So that's that. And First Frost with the Frost Bouquet framelets. So this goes with that lovely frosted designer series paper. So these are the... Now Jenny Hall over in the States has done an amazing project using that stamp in particular, and it's using, it's using Stampin' Up markers to get the most amazing shadowing. If you look for it on YouTube, Jenny Hall, brilliant Stampin' Up demonstrator. Her projects are amazing. I did a blog hop with her a few months back that she organises. It was stunning. I mean, talk about having to up your game. And these are the framelets. Are we calling them framelets or are we calling them thinlets? I can never remember which is which. Anyway, these are framelets. So there's 2 of the flowers, which is lovely. Then this. No, it's this one has got a framelet. There's 2 for the flower. There's these are actually 2 separate. So there's an inner and an outer. That is tiny. And then some bits. Oh, this goes with this. and this is a standalone filigree, and this is a standalone leaf. It's gorgeous. And the large flower as well has got a framelit. Marvellous. Loving that. Oh, can't wait to get playing. I've got so much stuff I need to do. Right, and Country Home, which is a photopolymer. This is lovely. It's got cotton, it's got bulrushes. Yes, it's sort of Thanksgiving, but simply thankful for all the good things. I think that's fine. Happy Harvest Blessings maybe is more US than UK, but the rest, brilliant. And I love just hello and enjoy, love, thanks. I think those are just lovely. Can't wait to play with that one. What else we got? Just another stamp set. Well, never just another stamp set. But this one it's just sentiments. It's called His Light. So it's Christ is born. Let His light bring you joy this season. May this season be blessed with the true meaning of Christmas. And then this lovely rejoice. And it's in red rubber. So it's not the largest stamp set in the world. But what you can do with this is any of your existing Christmas stamps or any of the other Christmas stamps in the new Autumn Winter catalogue, you can use this with them. So there's the, let's have a look at what's in the annual catalogue that would work really well with this. Where's we got Christmas? Ooh, I really must get my tabs on because it would be a whole lot easier. Under the Mistletoe, 94. So you can use it with your Christmas pines. I'm not quite sure that cookie cutter would go really well with the Star of Light. I mean, that would be, you know, let this light bring joy, let His light bring joy this season. Lovely. The Night in Bethlehem would work really well with it. That's again basically words. The Stylish Christmas would be lovely with it. Hearts Come Home, maybe not, because that is more, that's less religious. The Christmas Tree, I don't see why not. But yeah, so, and let me tell you, there are some lovely, lovely stamps coming in the Autumn Winter catalogue that this would work beautifully with. So this, I think, is a really good supplement. So it's something, it's a new kind of look for your old existing Christmas stamps. So there you are. It's a very small little selection. So some ribbons, some stamps, and some more paint. But as I say, the bits I forgot to order first time round. And of course it means I still get some bonus days vouchers, so I can add the bonus days vouchers that I got with these for to the ones I already had. So one of the joys of being a demonstrator is we still get to have all of the promotions that customers get. So bonus day vouchers, host rewards, all those good things, we still get them. So, thank you very much indeed. I hope you enjoyed that. Just a few extra little bits and pieces. And I will see you again very soon. Bye!